Yo, it's your boy Censored. I posted an unboxing video of a pair of SBs that I hit on the other day, and I was very surprised with the number of views that I got on it. And then it dawned on me, dude, you've been collecting sneakers since like 2010. Why not do a YouTube series where you go and show all the shoes that you've picked up over the years? Crazy. So, it only makes sense to start off with the pair of shoes that started the collection. Right here, we have a gold box SB. This released in 2008. This is what started the addiction, man. The Nike SB Boba Fett. Boba Fett, pretty sure a character that needs no introduction nowadays. Bounty hunter from the Star Wars series. Even in recent time, he's actually gotten a Mandalorian show, which people seem to really love. But, at first glance, it's just a really simple-ish shoe. You got the black leather there. You got the green. Man, the material it's been bodied on these. I wear my sneaks. Black leather on the toe box. But you got a reddish lace here that kind of has like a purplish feel to it, but I think what really brings this shoe together is this bright yellow on the tongue. If it didn't have the bright yellow on the tongue, it'd be like the most simple thing ever. Like, look, even got a stain right there that I could probably take care of, but at this point in sneaker collecting, the boy just doesn't care. This was the second of 3 Star Wars shoes. The first one being the Jedi. You got the Boba Fett, and then you also had the Tauntaun sneaker. Very beautiful shoe. Nothing too crazy on it at all. Just a good use of materials. And then as I said before, that yellow tongue makes it pop. It's a sneaker. Came with that bright red lace. And then also a black lace for the alternative. Can't remember if there were any other laces that came with it, but I just feel like with that sneaker, you got to go with that red lace. That's gonna do it for the first video here. I'd appreciate any likes or subscriptions. There will be more coming in the future. Thanks for tuning in. Censored out.